Hello, this is ICEGEL. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Today, we will show you our new product's Gem Stone Gel. First, apply ICEGEL Nano Base Gel to protect your nails. Then, apply ICEGEL Gem Stone Gels on the nails. 7 different glitter powders inside of Gem Stone Gels. You will see this high-quality gels in ICEGEL only. Apply ICEGEL Star Top Gel to finish. Can you see the natural glitter like a shell? We will show you the rest of Gem Stone colors also. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe us and hit the like button. Thank you. Have an amazing day.